If your lawnmower starts just fine but dies a few seconds later, don't rush out and buy a new carburetor. In many cases, the problem is much simpler than you think, and you may be able to fix it in just a few minutes. Let's go through the most common reasons why this happens and how to fix each one. The first and most common cause is an air leak around the carburetor. The carburetor needs an airtight seal to mix fuel and air correctly. If it's loose or if the gasket or O-ring is damaged, extra air gets in. This makes the fuel mixture too lean, so the engine starts but quickly dies. Start by checking if the carburetor feels loose. Gently try moving it with your hand. If it moves, you've already found a problem. Next, check the bolts that hold the carburetor in place. Tighten them if they're loose, but don't over-tighten them. If the carburetor is tight but still feels loose, inspect the mounting plate behind it. Sometimes the carburetor itself isn't loose at all. It's the mounting plate that's come loose from the engine, creating the same air leak. Tightening those bolts can solve the problem immediately. While you're there, inspect the rubber O-ring or gasket between the carburetor and the intake tube. If it's cracked, flattened, or damaged, replace it. A new O-ring creates a much better seal and often fixes the issue. Another common reason is a dirty carburetor. Even a small amount of dirt can block the tiny fuel passages inside. The engine gets enough fuel to start, but not enough to keep running. If you haven't cleaned the carburetor in a while, remove it and clean every jet and passage with carburetor cleaner. If the carburetor is badly clogged or damaged, replacing it may be the easier option. Next, check the air filter. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow and affect how the engine runs. Remove the filter and inspect it. If it's covered in dirt, clean it if it's reusable, or replace it if it's a paper filter. Old fuel can also cause this problem. If the gasoline has been sitting in the mower for several months, it can lose its quality and leave deposits inside the fuel system. Drain the old fuel, refill the tank with fresh gasoline, and try starting the mower again. Don't forget to check the fuel line as well. Make sure fuel is flowing freely from the tank to the carburetor. If the fuel line is blocked, cracked, or pinched, the engine won't get enough fuel to keep running. Another thing to inspect is the fuel cap. It might sound strange, but the fuel cap has a small vent hole. If that vent gets blocked, air can't enter the fuel tank, creating a vacuum that stops fuel from flowing. Try loosening the fuel cap slightly and start the mower again. If it keeps running, the vent is likely blocked, and the fuel cap should be cleaned or replaced. If your mower starts only when you keep pressing the primer bulb, that's another sign the carburetor isn't getting enough fuel. This usually points to a clogged carburetor, an air leak, or a fuel delivery problem. Finally, check all the mounting bolts around the carburetor and intake. Engine vibration can slowly loosen them over time. If you remove any bolts, adding a small amount of thread locker before reinstalling them can help keep them from loosening again. The good news is that most lawnmowers that start and then die don't have a serious engine problem. In many cases, the fix is as simple as tightening a loose mounting plate, replacing a worn O-ring, cleaning the carburetor, or using fresh fuel. So, before replacing expensive parts, start with these basic checks. They're quick, inexpensive, and in many cases, they're all it takes to get your lawnmower running normally again.